This is not a fictional story. This is a prophecy.
According to Scripture in Gospel of Matthew 24, this generation shall not pass till all these things be fulfilled. Many believe the rebirth of Israel in 1948 began the final generation. Only God knows the exact day, but the signs are here now. The 7 seals begin to open. The first seal opens. The white horse rides. Trumpets sound. Bowls pour upon the earth. Wrath spreads across mankind. Deception. False peace. And false teachings. False gods. Mankind poisons the food. The water becomes polluted. Greed consumes the nations. Humanity worships wealth, power, pleasure, and technology. The world drifts further from God. The second seal opens. The red horse rides. Trumpets sound. Bowls pour upon the earth. The battle for the soul of mankind spreads across the earth. Hatred rises. Violence spreads. Fear enters every nation. Humanity turns against itself. Division grows. Corruption spreads. The world descends deeper into darkness. The third seal opens. The black horse rides. Famine spreads across the earth. Economic collapse begins. Food becomes scarce. Store shelves empty. Crops fail. The cost of survival rises. Desperate crowds search for food and clean water. The earth itself begins to suffer. The fourth seal opens. The pale horse rides. Death follows mankind. Disease spreads. The skies darken. Smoke fills the earth. Hope begins to disappear. Cities fall silent. And still, mankind refuses to change. The fifth seal opens. The moon turns red. Euphrates River begins to dry. The heavens begin to change. The earth trembles. Great earthquakes shake the nations. The oceans begin to rise. Then, something appears in the heavens. The world looks up and realizes it is too late. Next, Asteroid: How to Survive the Impact, Part 2.